Hello students, today I am here to explain you chapter 5 from your Vistas book Should Wizard Hit Mommy? The author of the story is John Updike. John Updike was an American novelist, poet, short story writer, and literary critic. He won the Pulitzer Prize for fiction twice. Let's have a brief sketch of the chapter. Should Wizard Hit Mommy is a children's story dealing with the serious theme of good parenting and the adult tendency to curb the curious and questioning mind of a child. Jack, the father of a 4-year-old Zwen, tries to teach her moral values through his stories. Every story is a slight variation of the same story. Zwan, being very young, fails to realize the true worth of originality, while Jack tries hard to convince her that one should not change one's identity or personality just to get accepted by society. Here are the main characters of the story. Jack. He is married to Claire. They have a 4-year-old daughter, Zoe, and 2-year-old son, Bobby. Jack is a loving and concerned father who tells stories to his daughter every day. Joanne. She is also referred as Zoe in the story. She is intelligent, impatient, and inquisitive daughter. She is a growing girl, and as she is growing, she has begun to contradict things. Roger Skunk. Roger Skunk is the protagonist of the story that Jack narrates to his daughter Zoe. The skunk is bullied for his foul smell. He wants nothing more than to play with the other animals. Mother Skunk. She is Roger's mother, who insists on having her own way with Roger by forcing him to follow tradition. Theme of Jack's story. Jack used to tell his little daughter Zoe bedtime stories, and it had now become almost a custom. Jack started narrating stories to his daughter Zoe when she was just 2 years old. अभी जो की एज 4 years है और डैडी उसे पिछले 2 सालों से कहानियाँ सुनाते आ रहे हैं. As she grew a little older, she began to ask a number of questions. जैसे जैसे वो बड़ी हो रही थी, वो डैडी से अनेक सवाल पूछा करती थी. And that's why daddy has to think new stories to satisfy her. Over the years, Jack began to run out of ideas. He was not able to invent new stories. Thus, the basic story was the same, but its hero was changed. Though every story was a variation of a basic tale. A small animal, usually named Roger, who had some problem. He went to the wise owl, and the wise old owl would advise him to go to the wizard. The wizard solved Roger's problem and asked for a fee. Roger didn't have the required amount, but the wizard told Roger where and how he could get the money. Roger found the money, paid the wizard, went home and had a lovely dinner with his family. This hero is a small creature and would usually appear as Roger Fish, Roger Squirrel, or Roger Chipmunk in different stories as narrated by father. The Roger Skunk Story. It was a Saturday evening and time for Zoe's usual naps. इस समय Zoe के कहानी सुनने का समय है. Jack asked Zoe about the new lead in the story, and Joe wanted it to be a skunk. आज Zoe अपनी कहानी में Roger skunk के बारे में सुनना चाहती है. Having a fresh hero momentarily steered Jack to create enthusiasm. जैक हमेशा से कहानी को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए उसमें फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस और जेस्चर्स यूज़ करते हैं और इसीलिए आज भी वो कुछ नया करने की सोच रहे हैं. जैक स्टार्टेड narrating the Roger Skunk story. The story goes like that. Roger smelt very bad. Other creatures ridiculed him. जो बेबी रॉजर स्कंक है उसकी स्मेल बहुत ही बदबूदार है जिसकी वजह से जो बाकी के बेबी एनिमल्स हैं उसके साथ खेलना नहीं चाहते हैं. दे वुड रन अवे फ्रॉम हिम. दे टीज्ड हिम बाय कॉलिंग स्टिंकी स्कंक. वो उसे स्टिंकी स्कंक के नाम से चिढ़ाते हैं. So Roger Skunk felt very bad. He had no friends. Joe had not foreseen this and became upset. क्योंकि जो लिटिल जो जैक की डॉटर है वो भी इस कहानी के इस सीन को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रही है और जैसे ही स्कंक उदास दिखता है तो जो भी उस कहानी को फील करके उदास हो जाती है. लिटिल रॉजर स्कंक की बदबूदार स्मेल की वजह से फॉरेस्ट के बेबी एनिमल्स ने उसके साथ खेलने के लिए मना कर दिया था और इस ह्यूमिलिएशन से बेबी स्कंक भी परेशान था और वो रोने लगता. यह देख करके लिटिल जो भी अपसेट हो जाती है. वो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर पा रही है कि जो उसका हीरो है वो किसी मुसीबत में आ गया है. However, Jack was happy to get an unexpected reaction from her, as his stories had now become much predictable for Zoe. हमेशा से ही जो एक हैप्पी एंडिंग की एक्सपेक्टेशन रखती है. उसे पता है कि डैडी जब भी कहानी सुनाएंगे उसका एंड हमेशा हैप्पी होगा और शायद आज भी जो की यही एक्सपेक्टेशन थी कि डैडी की जो कहानी का एंड होगा दैट वुड बी हैप्पी. लेकिन आज ऐसा नहीं हुआ क्योंकि अभी जो बेबी स्कंक है उसकी प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ती ही चली जा रही हैं और जैक चाहते हैं कि जैसे जैसे जो बड़ी हो रही है उसे ये हार्श रियलिटीज़ को एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए कि हमेशा कहानी की एंडिंग हैप्पी नहीं होती हैं. The owl and wizard help Roger. While narrating the story, Jack heard a chair scrape downstairs. He realized he must go down to help Claire, his wife, who is busy painting the woodwork. Claire was pregnant and she needed her husband's help. But he continued with the stories. Roger Skunk went to the wise old owl who lived at the top of a very big tree. The enormous owl advised Roger to visit the wizard. At this point, Zoe shot a question and looked at her father. She asked if magic spells were real. इस छोटी सी बच्ची के मन में अब बहुत सारे सवाल थे. जो बचपन में कहानी को एज इट एक्सेप्ट कर लेती थी लेकिन जैसे ही वो बड़ी हो रही थी अब उसके मन में बहुत सारे सवाल थे और वो सारे क्वेश्चंस को पूछना चाहती थी और अपने डाउट्स को क्लियर करना चाहती थी. and that's why she asked her father if magic spells were real. वो जानना चाहती थी कि जो विज़र्ड है जो अपने पावरफुल मैजिक का यूज़ करता है क्या वो सच में है या सिर्फ कहानी में ही है. She had started asking questions like whether spiders really ate bugs and if God was present everywhere and so on. और इस तरीके के अनेक सवाल वो अपने डैडी से कहानी के दौरान पूछा करती थी. Jack didn't like the question and being interrupted in this way. कहानी सुनाने के दौरान जैक को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था कि जो उसे इंटरप्ट करे और क्वेश्चन करे. However, he would try his best to answer her and clear her doubts. And further, he continued his story. Roger Skunk reached the wizard's home. The wizard asked not to come close as Roger smelt very bad. He asked Roger what he wanted to smell like. Roger said that he wanted to smell like roses. The wizard chanted a magic spell and Roger started smelling like roses. अब जो रोजर स्कंक की फॉल स्मेल थी अब वो चेंज हो गई थी. नाउ ही स्मेल्ड लाइक रोजेस. अब जो उसकी स्मेल थी वो सेंटेड रोजेस की तरह हो गई थी. जैक mistakenly referred to Roger skunk as Roger fish. Zoe immediately pointed out the mistake. कहानी सुनाने के दौरान डैडी गलती से रोजर स्कंक की जगह रोजर फिश कह देते हैं, लेकिन जो बेटी बड़े ध्यान से कहानी सुन रही थी उसने तुरंत अपने डैडी को इंटरप्ट किया एंड शी टोल्ड हर फादर दैट ही कॉल्ड रोजर स्कंक एज रोजर फिश. और जैक को अपनी मिस्टेक का गलती का पता चलता है. This shows little Zoe's involvement in the story कि बच्ची कितने ध्यान से कहानी सुन रही थी और वो अपने डैडी को इंटरप्ट करके बताती है कि उनसे क्या गलती हो गई है और उन्होंने कैसे रोजर स्कंक के बदले रोजर फिश कह दिया था. The intriguing twist in the story. The wizard changed the foul smell of the roser and made him smell like roses, but in return demanded some money. The wizard asked Roger to give him 7 pennies, although Roger had only 4. The wizard told him where to find the remaining 3. The wizard directed Roger Skunk to go to the end of the lane, turned round 3 times, and looked down the magic well. Roger did so and found the money and gave them to the wizard. Now all the other creatures liked to play with the Roger because now he smelled so good. He smelled scented roses. Little Skunk was also happy and reached home. His mother got very angry as she find it very hard to believe that he didn't smell foul, which was the instinct of skunks. She found the new smell of the roses awful. She scolded Roger and told him that he didn't smell like skunk anymore. She took Roger back to the wizard and she hit the wizard over his head and asked him to give Roger Skunk his original smell back. At this, the little girl Zoe was surprised. She felt that Roger Skunk would again be lonely. According to little Zoe, Mother Skunk was wrong and so the wizard should hit her back. Little Zoe is angry at Mother Skunk and criticizes at her act. लिटिल जो को लगता है कि एक बच्चे के लिए उसकी ओरिजिनलिटी और आइडेंटिटी इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है। उसके लिए दोस्तों के साथ खेलना इम्पॉर्टेंट है और ग्रुप में रहना इम्पॉर्टेंट है। इसीलिए वो चाहती है कि उसकी मम्मी अपने बेबी स्कंक के बारे में सोचे और उसकी प्रॉब्लम को समझे। Here, thoughts of Zoe are born out of a child's perception, where a child thinks that originality and individuality has no meaning for them. According to a child, playing with friends and being in group of a friends is more important than their own existence and originality or individuality. End of the Roger Skunk story. Jack continued with the narration of the story where Mother Skunk and Roger Skunk had returned home. Mother Skunk was very happy because Roger smelled like a skunk again. Even the baby animals in the forest, they got used to his foul smell and now they didn't mind it at all. Zoe still could not relate to the story. She was adamant, saying that Daddy should make a change in the story. She said that Jack should say instead that it would be Wizard who would hit Mommy on her head. Zoe was not happy at all with the decision taken by Mother Skunk. She called Mother Skunk a stupid mommy. That's why she wanted her father to make a change in the story and would say rather the wizard should hit Mommy Skunk on her head with an umbrella and would return scented rose smell of little Roger Skunk, and this would make little Skunk happy. Jack tried to reason with his daughter and told her that Roger Skunk loved his mother very much and Mother Skunk knew what was right for her baby. जैक अपनी बेटी को समझाने की कोशिश करते हैं कि जो मम्मी है वो अपने बच्चों के लिए हमेशा ठीक सोचती हैं और उन्हें पता होता है कि बच्चों के लिए क्या सही है। एंड इवन जो बेबी स्कंक है ही ऑल्सो ट्रस्ट his mother and that's why he doesn't make any argument with his mother regarding the smell. But Zoe didn't agree with her father and still insisted that he should make a change in the story. वो चाहती है कि डैडी को कहानी में बदलाव करना चाहिए और कहानी के अंत में मम्मी विज़र्ड को हिट नहीं करेंगी बल्कि विज़र्ड मम्मी को हिट करेंगे और जो बेबी की सेंटेड स्मेल है वो वापस बेबी को मिलेगी। Jack didn't want to have any argument over this, so he told Zoe to go to sleep and he went downstairs to his wife. He felt guilty looking around at the work she had already completed. He found himself stuck in an ugly middle position. He could not convince his daughter over the end of the story, and now his wife seemed to be upset with him. Toward the end of the story, we get a glimpse of the marital tension between Jack and Claire. Jack watched his wife's work and intended to help her, but his heart revolted against it. He felt that both of them were caged together. He found himself torn between the imaginative world and the real world full of responsibilities. This is all about the story. I hope these summarized points will help you understand this story in a better way. Thank you.